Alright, what up y'all, it's Matt. So I'm working on a Suzuki Vinson ATV project and I got the motor put back in and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna stop and relocate the radiator because I got it out. Might as well, right? It's a cheap and easy mod to do. We're gonna do as cheap as we can, as best we can. Check it out, guys. Alright, so we're gonna build this thing out of an old bed frame. So anytime I have little projects like this and I need some angle iron for cheap, anything that's not really structural, I go down to the thrift store and I see if they got a bed frame. You get these for next to nothing, guys. And if you go and get angle iron from Home Depot or a metal supplier, it's a ton of money. This whole thing cost me $8, and I promise you when we're done, it's not gonna look like a bed frame at all. It's gonna be perfect. It's plenty thick, just don't use it for anything structural, you know. Just gotta hold up this little baby radiator. But basically you can see it's a straight shot into the engine like that now, so that'll help air cool it too with the wind blowing on it down there. And then all we have to do is extend this wire and then run our hoses down from the top up here, boom, over. You see the previous owner, he did the hack job with the whole snorkel thing. So we're gonna build a box like this, and then we're gonna have a bunch of brackets like this to support it up. Bolt it all together. Do a 45 degree, it's gonna block that, but it's broken anyways. I'm gonna get a light bar. It should look pretty good, guys. Let's get to work. I got all the pieces cut, let's weld it up. You can see I got them notched out like that so this stuff will sit flat in here. Alright guys, so I got this expanded metal cut and put in the inside of here. Man, that looks friggin' cool. See, I got it going like this way and this way so that nothing can get in there. I'm just gonna tack it in there, really. Man, that looks cool. No sticks are popping this radiator. Like I said, friggin' awesome, guys. It looks like there's circles all in it, but there's not. So we need to do something with this and have it at a 45 degree angle. And I want to have the snorkels come out like right here like people do, you know, 1, 2, 3. I kind of want to try to do it like that, but when you put the radiator in here, there's no room. So we're going to have to play with it. All right, so here's where we're at right here. We got this thing all mounted up, awesome. That's not going to fall at all. Nice and strong. Then down here I got this grommet. That way it's sitting on rubber. It's not going to vibrate and mess up. I went and bought every single 2-inch PVC combination they had, so we could plumb this out. I got the bracket in here, I modified it, got it down here, and when we put the radiator up here, it's gonna fit perfectly. So let's fab up some stuff for the radiator mounts. All right, guys, I got this thing set up here. Man, that looks good. Brackets came out good. Got those holes in there so we can mount it up. I have it just sitting on here right now. I'm trying to figure out the angle. You can see it's pretty close to 45, but when you get up here, it's kind of high. So I'm just going through and taking off like 1/2 inch at a time and lowering the thing down and then setting it back up here. Look at that. So we should get good airflow under here. Oh yeah, I cut those, that fits perfectly. Just need to do a little bit more finish work and some paint. Clean up these welds a bit. It looks awesome. I got this expanded metal in here, doubled up. All right, so I got the radiator clean. We need to hit it with some black paint to make it look cool. 500-degree paint. I know this isn't a popular opinion here to, paint these things, but we're just gonna mist it until it turns it black. They do this at radiator shops all day long, and it doesn't matter. So let's get to it. Y'all ready for the reveal? Check it out. I got these big old diesel turbo clamps off of Amazon. That way they'll clamp down on this corrugated pipe better because it was leaking before. That ain't gonna leak now. Goes down, 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 down. Right there, up in there. CVT exhaust, engine intake, CVT intake. And then the hoses go up to this plate. Took this spa hose and just beat it with a hammer so I could jam it down in there and make it a little flat. And look at that, perfect. Nowhere near the exhaust. Comes out the back with some PVC that's glued. So in case y'all wonder what this is, it's a protector flap for the fill cap, because when I built it, I kind of messed up and I made it a little bit too short. You can see right here, and the fill neck was just sticking up. So I made this, and it's genius. I got an old rat trap that wasn't used, and I took the springs off of it, and I got some bolts and some pipe and cut up the pipe, put a bolt through it. It's got a hinge now. And you can see you can get right in there, do what you need to do, take the cap out. Trust me, it'll come out. I already did it 1,000 times. If that cap ever pops off, it'll go psh, hit the bottom of this and deflect down, because this is a straight shot to your face. And it worked great, guys. It's awesome. I'm stoked. That's like a crazy little thing, but this right here to fill up our reservoir. And then I got every breather line, car breather line, use clear tubing so you can see it working. Yeah, man, this thing is done. Later.